All right, we're back. Ooh, special delivery. Maybe. It's supposed to be a pull tab, I think. The new and improved box. I've never seen a box like this. It's like a half box. Okay. So, the story on this. I tried to buy mirrors once, and they sent me counterfeits. So I said, fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me. Fool me 3 times, I won't be fooled again. Two-inch roll cage. LEDs. Let's see what happens when I open it up inside. There's no tape. I hear stuff clicky and clunky in there. Okay. Before you start, familiarize. So instructions, that's encouraging. Wiring harness. Okay. Missing or broken parts. Call a number. I did buy this off Amazon, so this I didn't buy it used. I bought it new. It was on a discount because of the holiday sales. Okay, wow, yeah. So this is looking a lot better. The first one was a absolute counterfeit generic lights. They didn't have the Seizmik, none of that. Oh wow, these are crazy. Oop, that little thing just fell off. Oh, just lost that under the cabinet. Oh, please. It's supposed to come off like that. Oh, I guess they keep them loose so you can. Sorry, I'm just not paying attention. So they're aluminum. It's got a green LED and a white LED. I'm not sure what that's all about. Allegedly, the green's good at night. No, whatever. This one. So the deals with these is, as long as the company is in business, which I hope they have a long storied history of being in business. Well, that was kind of stuck in there. Did you see that? Let's see how this one's looking. All right, that one got sealed up. It's lifetime warranty. It doesn't matter what happens. As long as you bought them new, you shoot them with a shotgun, your cow eats them, you flip your side-by-side 75 times down a cliff. From what I understand, you send a photograph of the damage, and they send you the parts to fix it. Oh, nice! A toggle! Oh! Holy cow! That is... Oh, man. I was not expecting that. That is fantastic news, kids. That is an upgrade there. I was not expecting a toggle. And I'll tell you why I wasn't expecting a toggle. They don't advertise a toggle. That's new. Let's check this out. Oh, wow. I'm loving these surprises. Let me see if I can find a picture of the switch. All right, there's a small picture of the switch. It's supposed to be a 3/4 inch drill into, yeah, that's the switch right there. That's what I was expecting. I wasn't expecting anything other than that. I open it up and I get a toggle, and it looks illuminated too. Obviously a 3-position. I'd looked into buying a toggle. There's a company that's making custom toggles where what the guy does is you pick the style of toggle and he puts custom words. So someone had like made a template of off, green, and white. So fuse protected. That's cool. Basically the way it works is somehow that runs to your... You plug that into there. This one goes to that one, and then there's this... what am I missing here? Oh, there's this thing. There's this harness that combines the two into the one, and then that goes into this guy here. That makes sense. Looks like there's plenty of wire. Oh, toggle. Dude, I'm so pumped. I'm so pumped. The other thing that's cool about these... I mean, I posted the other video by now, I'm sure. That's how the bracket's supposed to be. If you saw the other video and how cheap and generic that was... So if I'm not mistaken, that's aluminum, heavy beef, and this is metal, and that's where it goes, I guess technically like that. your windshield. So you got that thin profile for your windshield. Now, don't get me wrong, this is a premium product. This is definitely a premium product. There's no getting around that. Independent automotive style mirrors in here. Allegedly, once we break it, that's supposed to be able to be self-adjusted. I'm not gonna mess with it too much right now until I totally find out. But all aluminum. That's buy once, cry once, cry for quite a while, but keep crying until your cries are teared out. I was able to get, I think that was like 150 bucks off MSRP or something, if I remember right. MSRP is a relative thing. They don't do a relay because it's not pulling that much, so that's just a straight, looking for, I don't want to undo all this. Yeah, it's just going to be a hot and a neutral. So I just run that up to the bus bar, probably go, I think I still got an open slot on my bus bar or my fuse box, but I'm going to get, I plan on getting a light bar, so these don't pull much. I don't know what this fuse is. Let's take a look at the fuse. What are they putting in here? I got a 5 ampere. I may just run these with my rock lights on the same leg. I can't imagine those rock lights in this was drawing much amperage. I mean, I'm not stressing. Nice coated. A toggle. Man alive. I don't know why that's exciting me so much. So anyways, the one thing about these that really changed me, I watched a video of a guy running these. If you can imagine, this is driver's side. And you got the lights, and the lights kind of, they just shoot out. But you can once it's bolted, these move. So you can like, oh, I want light over here. You can pull the mirror and you get the light right there. So like, really cool for like loading in the dark. I mean, that's the part where I'm like, that's where it's at. Because I've actually loaded a side-by-side in a UTV in the dark, and it kind of sucked. Like, a lot of flashlights, a lot of like, can't see what you're doing, and like, yeah. So that's interesting. It says 2 inches, use these. Yeah. I would have thought 2 inches you wouldn't use those, but you know, I'll read the instructions. What would you use for 1 3 inches? I think these do 1 3/4 inches as well. I don't know if there's any more stuff in here. I don't think there is. I mean, it's not that exciting when unboxed. 2 meters of wire. I mean, you got wire for days. You got wire coming out your yin-yang. That's all it's going to have to be basically bundled up under. I mean, I could have gotten away with like 1.5 feet of that. I mean, I suppose I could trim it out if I really was feeling froggy, because I don't really need that fuse because I'm going to run it to a fuse box. I could trim this down. I don't know if I will or not. We'll see. Stay tuned for installed a video, if you will. I don't know if I think that maybe covers everything. Some gun holder information if you're into those sorts of deals. You can, yep, all sorts of fun. All right, there we go. Nearing completion on the build. This is a big item here. I went a little overboard on that, but just after buying that counterfeit shit, it pissed me off so bad. And honestly, the counterfeit stuff was not that much less money than these ended up being after that Black Friday sale. So, all in all, I would prefer paying a little more for these than getting hosed on those counterfeit shitters. Whatever. Got some product information here. That's cool. All right, that's enough of my time. I guess I could show the package. I didn't do that at the end. We just get a little shot of the package. Looks like Cree LEDs. Stay safe.